Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn the meaning of the Turkish idiom Kafasına Koymak. So let's start. Kafasına koymak. Kafasına koymak. Kafasına koymak. Now, the literal meaning of the Turkish idiom Kafasına koymak is to put into one's head, while figuratively, the idiom means to be determined, to set one's mind, or to be bent. Basically, it means that you have decided to do something and nobody can change or prevent it. Let's see some examples now. Kafama koydum, seni terk edeceğim. I am determined, I'll leave you. Kafama koydum, seni terk edeceğim. Kafamıza koyduk, bu evi alacağız. We are determined, we will buy this house. Kafamıza koyduk, bu evi alacağız. Kafana koyarsan, yaparsın. If you are determined, you will do it. Kafana koyarsan, yaparsın. That's it. See you in the next lessons. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.